Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get the VHS filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, go here. This is the effects gallery. Okay, so now I'm in the trending section. Here, slide right until you find vlog. Go there. Okay, slide up. Okay, and remember this image. This is the filter. Tap on it. Yep. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect from the effect gallery, then what you can do, go to discover and here search for VHS. On the top row you will see the effect icon. Tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see the record button. You can tap there to use this filter like this. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect from discover also, then what you can do, let me go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap on the effect icon and open it with TikTok. Okay, you will be directed to the effect page. Tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and there you go, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this VHS filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.